Hello there friends, it's Ashley here from the Loopy Lamb, and today I'm going to be sharing a review with you on this We Crochet Cotlin yarn. It's also available from Knit Picks, but I get my yarn from We Crochet. Now Cotlin is a DK or size 3 weight yarn, and I'm really excited to tell you about kind of why I'm so excited to use this yarn for spring and summer designs. This is the color Cyan. It's absolutely stunning. It is one of my absolute favorite colors, and as soon as I saw it, I fell head over heels in love with that color. These do come in 50-gram balls, and there are 123 yards of yarn per ball. Now, this is 70% Tanguis cotton, not sure I'm saying that right, but Tanguis cotton, and 30% linen. It's machine washable, and you can throw your finished objects in the dryer on low. Now for the hook sizes, you're going to be, or recommended hook sizes, you're looking at between 4.5 to 5.5 millimeter, which is it says 7I, but I know 7 generally as a G plus to an I. And you can get 12 to 17 single crochets in a 4-inch swatch using those hooks. And if you're a knitter, it recommends a 5 to 7 needle size, and you can get 5.5 stitches to a 1-inch swatch with this yarn. I'm not going to lie, when my first impressions of this yarn, when I took it out, I was like, yeah, you know what, it's okay. But to be fair to Cotlin, I had literally just picked up a ball of comfy worsted. That's not really fair because comfy worsted is fantastic, and it's a Pima cotton, so it's got that really soft, squishy feel to it. When you're comparing that to something with some linen in it, which is generally not that soft right off the bat, you know, not really fair. So I was just like, you know what, I love the colors, still interested in wanting to check it out. So I did up some swatches, and I'll show them to you here. This is our basic stitches like I normally do. So we've got our singles, our half doubles, and some doubles, and I did that here with the 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. Absolute dream to work with, no issues. Didn't have any issues with splitting or, you know, like knots or anything. It was great. I really enjoyed using this. And I did it again, another swatch with the Tunisian. And I started with several rows of the Tunisian simple stitch, and then I went into the Tunisian knit stitch up here. I found that as I worked with the yarn, it started to feel softer. Linen has that kind of, I don't want to say scratchy, it's hard to describe, just not as soft as I guess the Pima cotton I had initially compared it to. Still soft feeling, but just, I don't know. Linen is the only way I can kind of describe it. So if you've ever kind of felt a new linen shirt, kind of had that feel. As I worked it started to feel like it was softening up. Totally geeked out when I was doing this review because I don't know if I'm the only one, but I've never heard of Tanguis cotton until I got this yarn. And so I wanted to learn more. What were the benefits of Tanguis cotton over, say, the Pima cotton and the comfy worsted? So I did some research. That's when I got super excited about this yarn, like not even kidding. Total yarn addict levels of excited here. Tanguis cotton, again, which is used in this yarn, is apparently world-renowned for its breathability, its durability, and how quickly it absorbs and releases moisture. It's apparently very strong because it has long staples. So it would also make it a really great yarn for if you're somebody that makes crochet bags, right? Because you want that durability and that strength because you're going to be putting stuff in the bag. So I really liked that. And then you pair that with your linen, right? So linen already well known for summer garments and breathability, but linen softens the more you wash it. So you've got these two great fibers known for breathability and keeping you cool in the summer. And then it's just going to get softer the more I wear it. Why would I wear anything else? So I'm just super excited to try this out. My goal right now, and I'm swatching, I don't have the swatches here with me, but off screen I've been swatching because I'm really hoping to come up with something really great with this yarn for spring and summer. Now, the other thing that got me really excited about this yarn is that they have 45 different colors available. And you're like, Ashley, so what? But some of them are really, really great looking. And if they are even half as beautiful as this color here, I know I'm going to be checking out at least 3, 4, 5 different colors of this and trying it with different things, because great color selection and just lovely to work with. So yeah, I really, really enjoyed this, and I can't wait to get started on the actual projects that I'll be making with this yarn. If you're interested in checking this out, I'll link to it in the description box for you below. But if you have any questions, or if you have experience working with this yarn, because it's not necessarily a new yarn, it's just new to me, I'd love to hear what your experience was working with this yarn, what you made with it, and what you thought. So please leave that in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to this channel. And if you enjoy free crochet patterns, please check out my blog, theloopylamb.com. And stay tuned, because soon I'll be releasing some more videos, because I have a few other spring and summer yarns that I'm checking out. And as always, I'll be happy to share that experience with you, so you can check it out too if you are interested in doing so. Thanks again for watching, friends. Happy hooking, and I'll see you next time.